Hello everyone. Today I'll begin with the essay What I Require from Life by J.B.S. Haldane. So I'll begin with the brief introduction of Haldane and the essay What I Require from Life. J.B.S. Haldane, John Burden Sanderson Haldane, 1892 to 1964, born in Oxford, educated at Eton and New College, Oxford, had his university degree in classics, not science. He began his scientific research in 1910 and worked in the fields of human psychology, genetics, and mathematics. For his work on genetics and evolution, he was awarded the Darwin Medal of the Royal Society in 1952. Besides strictly scientific works, he wrote a number of popular books, including children's stories. He considered that a scientist should help to render science intelligible to ordinary people. He also underlined the constructive role of science in man's struggle for peace and prosperity. Haldane, an avowed Marxist, worked for a number of years as editor of The Daily Worker, the organ of the Communist Party of Great Britain. His dislike of any conventional form of religion was perhaps a result of his hatred for authority. He renounced his British citizenship in protest against the policies of his government and emigrated to India in 1957, becoming a naturalized citizen 3 years later. Among his works are Science and Human Life, Causes of Evolution, and Keeping Cool, and other essays. Now, coming to the essay What I Require from Life, this essay is written in simple and lucid prose, and it reflects Haldane's socialistic convictions. The writer visualizes a democracy in industry where every healthy man and woman engaged in productive activity enjoys the privilege of choosing his or her purpose and mode of life. In this essay, he has given a list of certain things which he actually demands from his life so that he could lead a peaceful, a contented life. So, with this, we come to the end of the introduction of J.B.S. Haldane and the essay What I Require from Life. Now, before beginning with the explanation of the essay, I would request you to keep the text before you while watching the video so that it can become easier for you to understand the entire content of the essay. Thank you.